Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. It's time for another tag video. Alright, so I know there's been a lot of tag videos lately, sorry about that, but I do enjoy them, and I typically throw them out on extra days rather than my normal video days. But yeah, so I was tagged this time by Let's Get Fit with Sandy. Hi Sandy, love you. We love tagging each other. We both pretty much always do. But this one is a this or that tag. And before I get into it, I do want to say that I'm tagging Cat on Point. It's been a while since I've tagged her in anything. And then I'm also tagging Dish with D. It's been a long time since I've tagged her in anything. And I watch both of them a lot. It's just a lot of times I like to tag other people. And this one, it gets pretty Weight Watchers related on two of the questions. So some of the people that I might tag, they don't do Weight Watchers, so they can't do it. They could give their opinion on it, I guess. But then some of it doesn't really matter. Anyway, so the first one is choose cheese or chocolate. That one's easy for me. It's cheese. I love cheese a little too much, probably. Yeah. Chocolate, I'm not a big sweet eater, guys. So like, except for peanut butter and chocolate, that together I love. Occasionally, if I'm making, that little mug souffle thing, then I might do it. But I'm not a huge craver. I typically don't buy it that often. So not a big deal. Cheese, though, I would be very, very sad if I didn't have cheese. So, cheese. All right, number 2, cardio or weights? I hate cardio. I do. I think because it is a lot harder for me to do. So I do like weights. Also, I love weights because they will actually help change your body shape rather than cardio. It's just burning calories. It's not caring where it's coming from. It's just emptying calories. And plus cardio, you stop losing weight the second you stop burning calories the second you stop doing cardio. Strength training, for hours after you're done, your body is still burning calories. So that all signs point to strength training for me. Cats or dogs? I love both. It's been a very long time since I've had a cat, though. Guys know I have the girls, the two dogs that are technically my roommates, but since he's basically living with his boyfriend during quarantine, they're mine. And I love them to death. But I always have had both growing up, and I love both. Growing up, we were a farm, I swear. Like, I'm pretty sure I mentioned this before in another video, but at one point we had 4 cats, 4 dogs, 2 rabbits, 2 ferrets, 2 birds, 2 fire-bellied newts, some random fish, and a turtle in the basement. Yeah. But so I love all animals, but I guess if I had to choose, I would probably choose a dog. Number 4, early bird or night owl? I am a weird creature of both. I will say lately I have been more of a morning person and less of a night owl, except for last night I could not sleep. So I went to bed at like 5-ish, a little after. And still, no matter what time I go to bed, I wake up between 5:30 and 7. So I got up at like 7 after going to bed at like 5. I'm tired. I have a headache. It's very frustrating. But most of the time I usually start, kind of winding down 10:30, 11 o'clock or whatever. And by midnight, I'm definitely always asleep. Sorry, I'm touching my face. You're not supposed to, but I'm not touching anybody else, so I don't think I'm going to catch it for myself. All right, sorry. I also haven't been out anywhere because I know you could get it from a card or from pumping gas, blah, blah, blah. Sorry, not talking about Corona today. All right, number 6, spend or save weeklies. Y'all know me. Every single Sunday, will eat all of my dailies and all of my weeklies. I go to town on Sundays. After my weigh-in, of course. So, yeah, I spend them good. Well, You know what I mean. All right, the last one, beach or woods? I would probably say woods just because when I picture the beach, I picture hot weather because you're not going to go to the beach during winter. And I do not handle heat well. I've already had to turn on the air conditioning here several times. Granted, it was like 91 degrees the other day, and then in the 50s and 40s after that. But yeah, I don't do heat, and that's what I picture when I picture the beach. Plus, I don't think I've ever shared this, so might as well throw it on here. Um, Eighth grade, our field trip was to Florida, which was a fantastic field trip. I wish I remembered more of it, but of course, the more traumatizing things stick in your head. I was unfortunately wearing white, and this is probably why I do not own white today, except for that one Built Bar shirt, but it was a free promotion with a box of Built Bars. But yeah, so it stormed really bad while we were at one of the parks. I don't know which one. And obviously, white becomes see through when it's wet. And my classmates decided to announce me a winner of a wet t shirt contest that I was not participating in. I was obviously not happy about it, being a guy winning a wet t shirt contest because I had the biggest boobs. So that's what I picture either that at the beach or heat. So all things beach related, that area, not not very appealing to me. Granted, I mean that was an amusement park, but we always, I know, like I said, my memory's horrible, but I know we were at the beach, at the amusement park, beach, amusement park type of thing. So yeah, it wasn't cool. Yeah. So anyway, that's the last one. So woods. Plus also, let me focus on some positive here. Woods are peaceful. They're calming. There's plenty of shade. There's nature. Like you can embrace it a little bit easier. It's a lot more peaceful. So yeah. That's another reason why also I would like that. Except don't ask me to camp unless you're again picking cool weather or we have like a trailer. Anyway, that's not related to the question at all, but you're getting that information anyway. All right, so that's all that I've got. That's all 7 questions. Again, thank you, Sandy, for tagging me in this. And I also am tagging Cat on Point and Dish with D. Hopefully you guys do this. And their links will be in the description box down below. Check them out. In the meantime, comment, answer some of these questions if you feel like it. And if you do this tag and I haven't tagged you, let me know and I will tag you in a future video. So that people can check you out. All right, I will talk to you guys later.